Here a short presentation about the VISI PDM system. The VISI PDM interface is divided in different views. Each view has its own free-definable window layout. In the project view, you see all the projects of the company. With definable filters, you can easily see, for example, only all actual projects or projects in tendering stage. To search for tools by a class list of characteristics is also possible, to find similar, older tools. In this view you can add new projects if you have the right to do this. In the organization view you see all companies for that our company is working for, like customers and suppliers. In the contact view you see all the persons related to these companies. Information like pictures can always be added. The most important view is the document view. Here you see all the documents that belong to a project. In a user-definable folder structure, you can add and group all the project documents like office documents, measuring reports and C programs, and of course cut data like work files and import files. To the default folder structure you can add at any time extra folders. Documents can easily added by a simple drag and drop from the Windows Explorer. Due to an automatic link to a document type, like Word, you can open each document by a simple double click. To add a document history is also possible at any time. This history is for the documentation of important steps in the workflow. This is an additional information for all in a project involved people. Mails from Outlook, for example, can link to a project. This can be done by a simple drag and drop. So, all PDM users see always all mail regarding to the project, without the need to search in the Outlook program. Also, the sending of mails is in PDM possible, so you can send any document to any contact. The attachment can also be zipped automatically. Very important is of course the perfect integration between PDM and the VISI CAD/CAM system. All functions like open, save, import, export or save in C programs are supported and captured by PDM. It is also possible to set an action, for example, to an import file like step or CATIA, so VISI starts and imports this file automatically by giving the same work file name as the import file. Here the open dialog from the PDM system. We open now the tool. Also, the Save Part dialog in the VISI Assembly Manager works with PDM. So you can save quick all necessary parts of a tool that must be produced in the company. So all the shop floor people have access now to these single parts. In the PDM document view, you see now the mother-child relationship between the assembly and the single component. That means if the designer go ahead with his work and he change something on a component already saved in the PDM, he gets an information and he can update all the modified components. Now he save his changings and he get this information. In the Assembly Manager now he use override affected files. So in the PDM structure is again an actual state of component guaranteed. Also, the actual part list is always shown in the PDM. This bill of material can be saved as an Excel file from the PDM. All the properties like general data and the additional fields can be integrated in all VISI masks. Mask can be created with the mask function in annotation. The Update Mask option in the Plot View Manager creates automatically correct mask with all fields. Another important function is the status management for revisions. With this option, the revisions of a tool are always documented and reproducible. The tool runs now through different company definable status. The status of a design changed from in progress to under approval. Is the approval correct? The status changed to released or go back to in progress. The tool is now automatically read-only and cannot be further modified, only viewed. So the tool is now ready for production. If a modification comes into play, the status must be changed from released to modification. The desired revision is captured in the PDM and a description is added. All revisions are listed in the revision window. Old revisions can also be opened at any time. Now the designer accomplishes the modification in VISI. Here the modification of the ejector pin. Also in the plot view, the revision index is automatically increased if the mask was updated. After the modification is finished, the tool runs again to the before mentioned status. So this was a short overview about the basic VISI PDM. Now you will see a special functionality of the VISI PDM, the so-called VISI PDM Team Edition. We have produced a video, so enjoy the video. Thank you very much.